In this video today we're starting a big floor. I'm going to show you how to prepare and set out, and then how to eventually start the big floor. I'm just having a quick walk through this, showing the size of the floor. Goes into multiple big rooms, and there's footprints of a duck that the ground workers chased about apparently. Just started doing circles in the wet concrete. Yeah, so lovely. Luckily it's not affected the floor that much. First we're going to prime it. Again with the primer, I refer to the bottle how much you use. Usually it's about 2 coats you need to do. So once the first one's dry, put the second one down. And as soon as that's dry, we're ready to tile. So I like using a roller for the primer because it gets it a nice even layer and it helps it dry a bit quicker. Sometimes I use a brush, but with the brush obviously it leaves big puddles and it takes hours to dry. It's a bit of a nightmare. That's it, make sure we get the floor nice and even everywhere. Now we're ready to set out, once that's all dry. Obviously we're looking at a full tile off the back doors, which gives us a nice full tile along the wall as well. Obviously we set out, mark the lines all the way to the other wall, and make sure we get a nice cut everywhere. Yeah, it turns out we end up with a nice full tile at the other side, so yeah, you never usually get that lucky. Now, once you get set out like that, you're ready to spread. I just leave them 2 rows down and use them as your mark. So you tile off them and then just fill them in later. Yeah, nice even spread everywhere. Make sure there's no bumps in it. And now you're ready to start laying tiles.